think you can stand up straight now. No. Oh, but go there. Where are we right now? Tell us.
Where are we? I don't even know where we are to be honest. Waterfall. I mean, waterfall means waterfall. This is Niagara Waterfall.
What is your ranking from 1 to 10?
From 1 to 10, this one was kind of unspectacular.
What? But it was pretty.
A lot better.
It was pretty.
And it looks pretty, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
And for 1,000, it's good.
It's like 1,001. For you, it's 2,000.
Oh, you guys.
But look at that
to
view.
Korea comes while you're young. Okay.
So cute. Oh, reaction?
Is it good? Never tasted anything better. It's good. I mean, it's fine.
What is your review of the orange juice?
So refreshing. It was worth it, especially because of the bottle.
Yeah, you're gonna keep it?
Yeah, for sure. I'm gonna keep it.
Oh, the orange one is prettier.
This one's so small.
Oh my gosh, look at this. There's like little tangerines.
Oh, the post-it notes.
Yeah.
Oh, these are so cute.
Right? Oh my gosh. I kind of want to get it, but I know it's for nothing. It looks just like you before.
Yeah. It's a little hat. Where are you gonna put it on? The little man.
Show me. Review. Which waterfall is nicer?
I mean, which one do you prefer?
Which one do you prefer?
I prefer the first one.
The first one for you?
I prefer this one.
This one? This looks so cute on here.
Yeah. So cute. Wow. Oh, that is super coconutty. Oh, I love that. It's like so natural. Yeah, it even has like the
Your face!
So good. Yeah, I love it. This one.
What was it? Rating? 10 out of 10, right?
Yeah, 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
He was wrong as well.
So where are we going right now?
To a cliff.
To a cliff? Oh, look at that view! Wow!
Thank you, God.
What is
now
it?
I have you as a drink. Dol Harubang. They're gods that offer protection and fertility. Protection and fertility.
Ah, so that's why they're everywhere here. It's like a... Actually, you have those statues, then you have the hat, like the girl.
Yeah.
And then those little... Your tangerine.
Very
That's
Jeju
the,
vibe.
that's the Jeju vibe here.
any more storage, so we need to use Peppy's camera right now. And where are we? Tea museum. Last minute. We made it. Last minute. So you guys, here are teas where you can smell on them. Which one is the best?
It's cherry blossom.
Cherry blossom it is for you.
Yeah.
No, the best one is moonflower overlook sea.
This one.
But
Moonwalker?
wow, I'm addicted. Did you have to try this one? Moonwalking.
Which one is your favorite, Catherine?
This.
It's this one, right?
Yeah,
This
she
smells
also-
really, really good.
What did you get?
I got the Ocelot matcha stick sets, but it's for
Okay.
my boss because I know that she likes matcha as well.
Okay, and you?
I got the Moonwalk. Yeah, tea with the sweet, elegant flavor of Korean pear.
And Catherine is just shopping the whole.
Yeah, she takes everything.
Oh, what did you get?
I got the matcha spread,
Oh.
or the green tea spread, the green tea latte double shot, the matcha powder, and then
Wow.
this is like a gift.
I mean,
We made the impossible possible, you guys.
She likes Euphoria
Like
because of
Euphoria
our
by
wonderful
JK.
moment.
She didn't like it for the...
I didn't vlog it though. Like we had the most beautiful sunset.
Erica vlogged it.
Yeah, Erica vlogged it.
You will see it, you're gonna love it though. No!
Where are we again? Dongwon Market.
The guy yesterday with his
Fire heart.
we had to come back.
Yeah.
So charming.
What is this music? How are you all feeling that we have to leave today?
So sad. I don't want to leave. Even though I want to go clubbing in Seoul.
It's so true. After we saw the fire performance yesterday, I wanted to dance. What performance?
The fire performance. Hey, saying goodbye.
No, we're not
Do
saying
this.
goodbye. We're saying kajes.
Gracias. We arrived at our next destination. Oh my gosh! No, 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 no!
We're at this mountain right now, but there was actually a free trail, but we didn't know. So we paid money to hike the summit trail. Now we're forced to walk all the way to the top of the mountain, and I hate hiking, so this is super unfortunate, but I guess we'll be going to the top.
started from down there. It was like 20 minutes ago, maximum.
All the way up.
And now we're here.
I think I have a picture from the
Oh yeah, we started at...
basically 11:50. It's basically 20 minutes.
Yeah. So how did you like this
For
mountain?
5,000 won.
For you, 5,000 of course.
Yeah.
For us, it was 2,500. So
For 5,000, it's kind of much.
heartbreak.
It's a heartbreak, and it's also, yeah, the view wasn't that spectacular.
It's spectacular
It's
though.
pretty spectacular.
Look at it.
Yeah.
You're just saying the view isn't spectacular and just going down this way.
I'm always criticizing nature.
Yeah, that's so true. I haven't
That's
seen
just me.
one time where she was like, oh, it's so nice. I have nothing to
That's
complain.
not true. Bukan-san, Bukan-san. I didn't say anything. I said it was beautiful, Bukan-san, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, I'm way too spoiled, you guys. I'm way too spoiled.
Oh, are you thinking about Excel? Nej, det svarade på det. Not you. Look what we found. Okay, Mona is getting us some mushrooms. What is it called? What is it called? Seashell.
Yes. Can you hear the ocean? It's right in front of the ocean. Wow, I can hear it as if it was right in front of me. I hear the ocean, and next to it I heard, ja, da sind doch noch viele Tiere drin. Ja, also irgendwie.
It's the original ocean sound though.
The original ocean sounds with Mona's German ass voice. Oh, but the inside is kind of beautiful.
Yeah, that's true.
Look, it's
Kind of.
fluorescing under the lights. As you can see, we can have different forms of lightning in there. It's probably 2,000 years ago. this marshal.
Okay.
Okay, guys, here in the back you can see the Jeju Island, the southern mountain, and you can see that there are various plants and everything. Oh wow, you can see there's a seashell right here. Let's look at it. If you see, oh my god, it's a very unique seashell. You can see the fluorescent mountain. It's like
You were just
oh my
interrupting.
God. Oh my god, my assistant just found another seashell. My assistant just found another seashell. It's fluorescent light. Fluorescent, I just learned fluorescent apparently because I'm using it every time.
Wow, it's so cute.
Wow.
저 당시로 먹냐? 최후대기 먹냐? 거꾸로 깨져서. 야. 야, 저기도 그냥 키 크게 채우려던 도망가보나? 바다를 차례로 몰라니.
Do you have it?
It's fresh abalone.
Fresh abalone?
Like it was still alive, like in water, and then they just cut it up.
Ah, and how was it?
It was good. It's like crunchy.
관객 여러분 안녕하세요. 네, 여러분들께 힘찬 박수 부탁드립니다.
간다. 간다. 어라져라. 어라져라. 웅져라. 웅져라. 지어라. 배겨라. 지어라. 배겨라. 몰래. 몰래. 저식제로. 저식제로. 왔다 갔다. 왔다 갔다.
Happy do you want your passport?
Yeah, it's called Orange. Pretty. I love the architecture of it.
Wow, I'm gonna take that one. Oh, it's so nice. Wait, that looks so good.
Wait, what? In photos? Yeah. Oh. I don't know if I like the puppy.
It's much worse than you
Everybody trusts the
No, I'm trying.
Let's
Let's stay. And now the aftermath. Wow. Even the bathroom looks nice.
But they were hiking and so.
Where are we right now?
Hamdeok Beach.
Hamdeok Beach?
Yes. Everyone is enjoying life, and I would love to have some sunshine right now. But you know what? It's a vibe.
Kaja's gang. Catherine, Julia, Erica, Mona, Pepe. Wow.
Kaja.
This looks like a menu or something.
10,001. 5,001.
So we are at the beach right now.
Beautiful view.
So shit is da, als hätte ich so ein Interview. Wait, I have to catch the beautiful stones in the back. It looks so pretty. Wow. So now we have our food. Salad with more chicken than actual vegetables. Pizza. And a beautiful, of course. So now we're here at the bus station waiting for our bus to pick us up.
The trip has come to an end, you guys.
To leave Jeju. Oh my
super
god.
sad. The funny thing is that we're returning to Seoul now.
And nobody wants to
return to Seoul. Now, can you imagine how we will feel when we have to return to Germany, to our real
Don't
home?
remind me. Don't even remind me of
It's like
that.
the worst feeling ever. You cannot imagine.
And like, it's so weird to say that we don't want to go back to Seoul. Like,
yeah,
how privileged are we right now? This
right.
is like so
no,
bad.
I'm very happy that I'm going to Seoul.
Yeah, I'm also happy to go back, but still, like, you know.
And get a car, really. It's super cheap for 5 people.
Yeah,
at least. And it's like the best. And driving here, you don't have to be scared at all.
Even though, yeah, a little bit maybe.
No, there are a lot of speed bumps, so take care. Oh, the shuttle is here.
Oh. It feels like going on a school trip, right? It's so funny, look at all those Koreans waiting in line and then foreigners. There's like literally nobody here. Oh my gosh, they also have Cacao Friends in Jeju version. No way. Everyone is still in the Jeju mood. Everybody with their orange hat on.
Kajas, bye bye. Bye Jeju. Kajas. Kajas.